learners, are you guys struggling or facing difficulty in clearing your IELTS and PT exam in the very first attempt? So don't worry. Visa Square team is here to help you and they will let you achieve your desired band scores in the very first attempt. Hi, I am Khushbu Dhingra, Senior IELTS Trainer at Visa Square, welcomes you to our institute where we teach professionally. Here you will not only get the personal attention, proper discussion of each module, but you will also get the weekly grammar and master classes, which will help you to achieve your desired band score easily. So don't get late, hurry up and avail this offer as we are offering you our IELTS classes in just 5,000 rupees and PT classes in just 6,000 rupees per month. Or you can also book your free demo classes by contacting us on the numbers given below at the screen.